Hi everybody, welcome back to Mortgage 101. My name is Kristi Dourian. I'm a loan originator at First Financial Bank and an in-house partner at Dana Simmons Real Estate. Today we're talking about closing costs, but be sure to stick around for the end of the video where we'll cover a lesser known tip. So closing costs, down payment, what are they? First of all, a lot of people combine these two terms, flip-flop and interchange, but it's good to know that the down payment and the closing costs are two separate numbers. Your down payment is a percentage of your transaction sale price that you're going to have to come up with for the closing. That's your portion of the sale price that as the buyer you are responsible for. And then your closing costs include things like your prepaid items, which is your insurance, your initial escrow deposit, and then your actual transaction costs, your appraisal, your lender fees, title fees, any discount points you may be paying for your interest rate, and so forth. So whenever you combine your closing costs and your down payment, that's how you come up with the total funds that are going to be needed for the transaction. Whenever you sign a contract, your lender is going to provide you with a loan estimate that has all of these amounts broken down. So just be sure that, when we're talking about closing costs or down payment, you really want to look at the total funds needed to close the transaction so you can know what to expect. And a lesser known tip or trick is that taxes and insurance can vary a whole lot from one property to the next. So before you make an offer, while you're shopping around, have your lender run an estimate on that specific property. They can look up the property taxes, they can know whether the house is in a flood zone or not, and take all of those expected costs associated with that particular property into play, and then give you an estimate on what you might need to close the transaction. So if you have any other questions or if you'd like to connect, just click the link in our bio and I'll speak to you again soon.